Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Embark on a culinary voyage, your guide to designing a Mediterranean kitchen, the aroma of fresh herbs, the warmth of the sun, and the joy of sharing meals with loved ones. These are the hallmarks of a Mediterranean kitchen. Here's your roadmap to transform your culinary space into a haven inspired by the beauty and vibrancy of the Mediterranean. 1. Establish a warm earthy base, color palette. Set the foundation with warm and inviting colors. Think terracotta, ochre, and sunny yellows for walls or backsplashes. Bianco white or a light sea blue can be introduced on cabinets or accents to create a balanced feel. 2. Embrace natural materials, flooring. Opt for terracotta tiles in a classic square or pattern design. Stone or ceramic tiles in warm hues like beige or terracotta are beautiful and durable alternatives. Consider limestone or travertine flooring for a touch of luxury, especially in larger kitchens. Countertops. Stone countertops in light or neutral tones complement the warm base colors beautifully. Butcher block can also add a rustic touch. Cabinetry. Solid wood cabinetry in a warm stain or a painted finish in a color that complements your overall palette creates a sense of rustic elegance. Consider incorporating glass front cabinets to showcase beautiful tableware. 3. Maximize natural light. Windows and skylights, optional if possible, prioritize natural light. Large windows or strategically placed skylights will brighten the space and reinforce the connection to the outdoors, a key aspect of Mediterranean design. 4. Lighting for ambience, warm inviting layers. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with a layered lighting approach. Pendant lights over the sink or island provide task lighting, while recessed lighting offers general illumination. Under cabinet lighting adds functionality for food preparation areas. Choose fixtures with wrought iron, terracotta, or natural materials to complement the overall aesthetic. 5. Introduce wrought iron accents, pot racks, pendants hardware. Incorporate wrought iron elements throughout the kitchen. This adds a touch of classic Mediterranean charm and complements the natural materials beautifully. Consider a hanging pot rack, pendant lights over the island, or cabinet hardware with a wrought iron finish. 6. Statement island, optional, a centerpiece for gathering. A large kitchen island can be a central feature, perfect for food preparation, casual dining, or entertaining. Opt for a natural stone countertop and wrought iron accents for an authentic look. 7. Open shelving, optional, a touch of personality. Open shelving allows you to display colorful dishes, pottery, or cookbooks, adding personality and a touch of the Mediterranean aesthetic. Opt for sturdy shelves made of wood or wrought iron to complement the overall design. 8. Appliances, stainless steel or integrated. Choose appliances that complement the overall design and functionality of your kitchen. Stainless steel appliances can add a modern touch, while integrated appliances create a seamless look. 9. Backsplash flare, a pop of color or pattern. The backsplash is a great place to introduce a design element. Consider terracotta tiles, mosaic tiles in blue and white hues, or even painted tiles with a Mediterranean-inspired motif. 10. Textile touches and greenery, optional, warmth and casual elegance. Introduce woven textures with colorful dish towels, a sisal rug, or woven placemats. These elements add warmth and a touch of casual elegance, a touch of nature. Bring the outdoors in with fresh herbs planted in terracotta pots or a small potted olive tree on the countertop. Remember, a successful Mediterranean kitchen design is about creating a warm and inviting space that reflects your personality. Focus on natural materials, warm colors, and functional elements that encourage gathering and sharing meals. Bonus tip: don't be afraid to source vintage finds or antique pieces at flea markets or local stores. These unique elements can add a touch of personality and character to your Mediterranean kitchen. Its rustic charm, warm colors, and connection to nature. It's a space that breathes life and vibrancy, perfect for creating delicious meals and sharing them with loved ones. Here's what defines this captivating kitchen design style. Color palette, earthy warmth. The foundation lies in warm and inviting colors. Think terracotta, ochre, and sunny yellows that evoke the sun-drenched landscapes of the Mediterranean. Accents of crisp white, deep blue, or even pops of emerald green add a touch of vibrancy. Materials, rustic elegance. Embrace natural materials like terracotta tiles, stone countertops, and warm wood cabinetry. These elements create a sense of rustic elegance and bring the warmth of the Mediterranean into the heart of your home. Wrought iron accents. Introduce wrought iron elements like pot racks, pendant lights, or decorative hardware. This adds a touch of classic Mediterranean charm and complements the natural materials beautifully. Flooring, earth and foundation. Opt for terracotta tiles in a classic square or pattern design. Stone or ceramic tiles in warm hues like beige or terracotta can also create a beautiful and durable base. For a touch of luxury, consider limestone or travertine flooring. Especially in larger kitchens, lighting, warm and inviting. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with strategically placed lighting. Think pendant lights over the sink or island, recessed lighting for general illumination, and under-cabinet lighting for task lighting. Opt for fixtures with wrought iron, terracotta, or natural materials to complement the overall aesthetic. Seating and storage. Statement island. Optional. A large kitchen island can be a central feature, perfect for food preparation, casual dining, or entertaining. Opt for a natural stone countertop and wrought iron accents for an authentic look. Open shelving. Optional. Open shelving allows you to showcase colorful dishes, pottery, or cookbooks, adding personality and a touch of the Mediterranean aesthetic. Rustic cabinets. Solid wood cabinetry in a warm stain or painted finish adds a touch of rustic charm. Consider incorporating glass front cabinets to showcase beautiful tableware. Appliances. Stainless steel or integrated. Stainless steel appliances can add a modern touch, while integrated appliances create a seamless look. Choose appliances that complement the overall design and functionality of your kitchen. Decor. Backsplash flair. The backsplash is a great place to introduce a pop of color or pattern. Consider terracotta tiles, mosaic tiles in blue and white hues, or even painted tiles with a Mediterranean-inspired motif. Textile touches. Introduce woven textures with colorful dish towels, a sisal rug, or woven placemats. These elements add warmth and a touch of casual elegance. Greenery. Optional. Bring the outdoors in with fresh herbs planted in terracotta pots or a small potted olive tree on the countertop. A Mediterranean-style kitchen isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a warm and inviting space for gathering and sharing meals. It's a place that evokes the joy of cooking and the beauty of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Here are some additional things to consider. Natural light. Maximize natural light with large windows or skylights. This brightens the space and reinforces the connection to the outdoors. French doors. Optional. If your climate permits, consider installing French doors leading to a patio or balcony. This creates a seamless flow between the kitchen and outdoor dining areas. With a Mediterranean-style kitchen, you can create a space that's both beautiful and functional, a place where your culinary creations can flourish and memories are made around the table. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.